Very good morning, students. Welcome back to the income tax classes. So, see the next question. Dr. Kasarnadu, a resident individual, is a medical practitioner. His receipts and payments amount for the previous year 18-19. So, same debit side they give incomes, credit side they give expenses. So nothing but it's a cash system, no? If in case debit side they will give expenses, credit side they will give incomes, it's a mercantile system. But here they gave debit side incomes, credit side expenses. So it's a cash system or cash method of accounting. So to balance brought forward 10,000. This opening balance, no need to consider anyway. Next, receipts from sale of medicines. It's a professional income, no? We need to consider. Next, consultation fees, we need to consider. Visiting fees, we need to consider. Next, lectures. So, Kasarnadu is a doctor. Lectures is not related to doctor, no? So, it's not a professional income. Next, family pensions, it's also not a professional income. Next, savings bank account, it is also not a professional income. Next, loan from bank for vehicles, it's also not a professional income. It's loan taken by him. Next, to share of HUF, it's also not a professional income. Next, agriculture income, it's also not a professional income. Next, income from lottery, it's also other source of income. No, we will not consider. Next, by purchase of commercial vehicle, rupees 4 lakhs. See, here adjustment is given. Depreciation rates as per income tax values for commercial vehicle and surgical equipment is rupees 15%. So, if in case they will not give this information, we will take according to income tax rules standard rates. But they give commercial vehicle and surgical for both. They will give 15% depreciation, we need to calculate. Next, drawings, it's a personal, no need to consider. Next, deposits in bank for 5 years, it is also not his professional expenses, so we will not consider. Next, surgical equipment purchased before 39/2018, it's a more than 180 days, no? Full depreciation we need to charge. Next, by installment loan paid, it's also we will not consider. Next, medical insurance premium. So, medical insurance premium 32,000 is paid. So, any medical insurance premium also paid, we will not consider. Why? Because insurance premium is paid to his family, no? It's personal. So, we will not consider. Whether it is paid to his shop handle, we will consider. Medical insurance premium is paid to personal, so we will not consider. Next, installment of housing loan. Within a bracket, principal component rupees 48,000. So nothing but, so they will give any adjustment to this. Yes, see, she resides in her own house. 1/4 portion of house is used for clinic purpose. So, if we consider full part, that is 4, it is full part. So, 1,08,000 is full part. So, 48,000 we will deduct. Why? Because 1,08,000 minus 48,000, you will get 60,000. No, it's a principal component. Principal component, it's a personal. So 1,08,000 minus 48,000, you will get 60,000. So 60,000 into 1/4 portion of the house is used for clinic purpose. So 60,000 into 1/4. 1/4 is related to clinic, no? Other is related to her house. Are you getting? So in case of installment of housing loan, so 1,08,000 minus 48,000, this is a principal component. So you will get 60,000. Under 60,000 only 1/4 is related to cleaning purpose. We need to consider per profession, no? Only 1/4 we need to consider. Next one, advance tax point we will not consider. Next, purchase of medicine 47,000 we need to consider. Next, payment of medical journal we need to consider 5,000. Next, vehicle expenses. See, for vehicle expenses there is an adjustment. 1/4 use of vehicles is estimated to be personal. So 1/4 out of 50,000, 1/4 is personal. So 50,000 into 3/4 is related to profession, no? 1/4 is personal, 3/4 is related to profession. 50,000 into 3/4 we need to consider, that is 37,500. Are you getting? So any other adjustment? So next, balance carry forward is given, no need to consider anywhere. Why? Because it's a closing balance of account. See next, see computation of taxable income from profession. Assessee Dr. Kasarnad. Previous year 2018-19, assessment year 19-20. So they'll give as usual format for particulars amount. So professional receipts, sale of medicines is given in the question, 2,50,000. Next, consultation fees is given in the question, 2 lakhs. Next, visiting fees is given in the question, 50,000. Total 5 lakhs. Next, less professional expenses. See, under professional expenses, purchase of medicines is given in the question, 47,000. Next, payment of medical journal 5,000 is given in the question. Next, depreciation on commercial vehicle. See, commercial vehicle how much? 4 lakhs is commercial vehicle, but commercial vehicle they give adjustment also. So depreciation rates for surgical equipment and commercial vehicle 15% per annum. We need to calculate depreciation at 15% rate. See, 4 lakhs into 15% into 3/4. Why? Because 1/4 is related to personal, no? Only 3/4 we need to consider, 45,000. Next, depreciation on surgical equipment. Surgical equipment how much? See, surgical equipment is 50,000. It's before 30th 9 2018 it's purchased, no? So more than 180 days you will get. You need to consider 15% of depreciation. They given in the question, depreciation 50,000 into 15%, you will get 75. You will get 7,500. Why? Because it's more than 180 days. Full depreciation we need to consider. Next, interest on housing loan. So total 1,08,000 is the installment amount, less principal amount is 48,000. So you will deduct 1,80,000, 8,000 minus 48,000, you will get 60,000. 60,000 into 1/4. 1/4 is used for clinic. That's why only we need to consider professional expenses. No, 1/4 is professional expenses. So you will get 15,000. Next, vehicle expenses. Vehicle expenses how much is given in the question? See, vehicle expenses is given 50,000. Out of vehicle expenses, 1/4 is used for personal. Only we consider 3/4. So 50,000 into 3/4, you will get 37,500. Total payments 1,57,000. Total receipt is 5 lakhs minus 1,50,000. You will get taxable professional income 3,43,000. Any doubt in this question? Very simple question. No, right? If you get any doubt, feel free to ask. And thank you.